Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use picture-in-picture on iPhone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just go to settings, and after that scroll down a little bit until you find an option called general. Scroll down a little bit from here, and as you can see, there is an option called picture-in-picture. You have just to click on it, and as you can see, it's already activated on my iPhone. So if you find it like that deactivated, you have just to click on it, so the icon will be green, and like that, picture-in-picture is activated on your iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in